Hello and welcome all of you. I am Dr. Sanaullah Khan, a dedicated acupuncture specialist in traditional Chinese medicine and holistic healing practices. My passion lies in helping individuals to achieve optimal health and balance through natural methods. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you where you will explore a profound world of acupressure and its transformative benefits by curing any disease with a management of one or two acupressure points. Today we are going to discuss about how to cure acute tonsillitis with the help of single acupressure point.
Tonsillitis is an inflammation of the tonsils, which are two lymph nodes located at the back of the throat. It is usually caused by viral or bacterial infections and is characterized by symptoms such as sore throat, difficulty in swallowing, swollen tonsils, fever, and swollen lymph nodes in the neck. Tonsillitis can occur at any age, but it is most common in children. Treatment varies depending on the cause and may include rest, fluids, pain relievers, and sometimes antibiotics. Acupressure point recommended to cure this condition is LU11, which is LU11 is basically the 11th point on the lung meridian. It is located on the radial side of the thumb, about 0.1 kun posterior to the corner of the nail. One can also apply pressure with the help of sharp rounded small stick or even with the help of a pencil tip which is round. Apply pressure gently with press and relieve technique for at least 3 to 4 minutes twice a day until the condition improves and is get cured.
Thank you very much for being part of this session on acupressure and its profound impact regarding restoring balance and promoting healing. I hope the insights shared today have enhanced your understanding of this ancient practice and its benefits. If you have any question or wish to explore this topic further, feel free, reach out the comments and contact me directly. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to stay updated in future discussions about holistic health and power of acupressure. Wishing you harmony and wellness until our next sessions. Take care of yours. Very good by yourself.